Glory Resources Limited, through its Greek subsidiary Thrace Minerals, will develop the high-grade Sapes gold project located in the region of East Macedonia and Thrace in northeastern Greece. The Sapes project is located on the E5 mine lease, which covers an area of 20.1 square kilometres and is approximately 2 kilometres from the town of Sapes, which is a 30-minute drive from the Aegean port city of Alexandroupolis. Sapes currently has 3 defined deposits, being the Viper, St Demetrius and Scarp deposits. These have a combined JORC-compliant resource of 830,000 ounces of contained gold. A feasibility study for the project was first completed in 2001 and was recently updated in 2010. At this time, mining is planned for the Viper and St Demetrius deposits, which have a combined mine reserve of 630,000 ounces of contained gold. At a production rate of 200,000 tonnes of ore per year, the operational mine life will be approximately 7 years. This is expected to be extended with further exploration success. The Sapes deposits are typical high sulfidation epithermal gold deposits that also contain silver and copper. The main deposit is Viper, which lies adjacent to and east of a major geological feature, the steep cross-cutting Viper vent zone. The relatively flat-lying Viper deposit is located approximately 240 metres below the surface and has a strike length of 550 metres, a width of up to 130 metres and a thickness of up to 60 metres. Significant intersections at Viper include one hole with 34 metres of 53 grams per tonne of gold, with the average grade of the defined resource being approximately 21.4 grams per tonne. The Viper deposit remains open to the west. Previous limited drilling in this area has shown that shallower mineralisation occurs approximately 150 metres below surface. One of the drill intersections in this area returned 57 metres grading 8 grams per tonne of gold. This area will be the initial focus of further exploration drilling. The St Demetrius deposit lies to the east of and adjacent to the Viper deposit. Gold mineralisation occurs in 2 distinctly different settings. Near-surface mineralisation is underlain by deeper, higher-grade stockwork mineralisation. The mineralisation at St Demetrius has generally been strongly oxidised due to its proximity to the surface. The deposit has a strike length of approximately 375 metres and width of 200 metres. Gold grades at St Demetrius can be up to 21 grams per tonne in some areas, with the average grade for the defined resource being approximately 3.4 grams per tonne. Mining of the Viper deposit will be by underground mining methods. An arched decline will be constructed to access the ore zone. Mining will be completed using the drift and fill method in panels 5 metres high and 4 to 6 metres wide. Once a panel has been mined, it will be filled primarily with paste fill blended with waste rock from the mining operations. The paste fill will come from blending cement with part of the tailings material that is generated from the process plant. Once the fill has cured sufficiently, mining of the adjacent panel commences. Mining at St Demetrius will be by open cut mining methods. As the ore body is located near to the surface, only a small amount of pre-stripping is required. The Sapes project will require the construction of a process plant to treat the mined ore and a tailings management facility to store the material remaining once the gold, silver and copper have been recovered. A water storage dam will also be constructed to collect rainfall and provide the water required for the project. All ore mined from Viper and St Demetrius will be trucked to the process plant for processing. The process plant at Sapes is an industry standard for the recovery of gold, silver and copper, and importantly, the company has elected to not use cyanide in its extraction process. The treatment process for Sapes comprises single-stage crushing, SAG milling with gravity gold removal, bulk sulfide flotation with concentrate regrind, and cleaning to produce a concentrate with a saleable copper grade. Approximately 15% of the gold will be recovered using gravity methods, which will be smelted on site and sold as doré. The flotation circuit will recover an additional 60% of the gold and 88% of the copper. The concentrate will be bagged, trucked to Alexandropolis and exported internationally to a smelter, where the gold, silver and copper will be recovered and sold. Tailings from the process will be filtered to produce a dry filter cake and either trucked to the mine to be used as paste fill or deposited in the tailings management facility for long-term storage. In addition to the 3 deposits defined at Sapes and the known extension west of the Viper deposit, there are several other prospects within the Sapes lease that have the potential to further grow the mining inventory at Sapes, extending the operational mine life beyond the current 7 years. The company is currently in the process of permitting Sapes, consulting with the authorities and stakeholders so as to enable the project to get into production in the earliest possible timeframe. In conclusion, the Sapes Gold Project, with its known high gold grade and low environmental impact, will positively contribute to the economic well-being of the Sapes area, to the mutual benefit of Greece and Glory's shareholders.